What is the cerebellum? The cerebellum is responsible for the coordination of all somatic motor activity, but does not initiate movement. The cerebellum receives information for intended movement, movement in progress, and control of posture. The coordination of movement involves input from sensory projection from muscles of the body to the cerebellum and feedback circuits between the cerebellum and motor centers of the pyramidal and extrapyramidal system. Where is the cerebellum located? The cerebellum, little brain, is a fist-sized portion of the brain, located at the back of the head between the brainstem and the cerebrum. Is positioned just above and behind where the spinal cord connects to the brain. The cerebral cortex, it has two hemispheres. The outer portion contains neurons and the inner area communicate with the cerebral cortex. Its function is to coordinate voluntary muscle movements and to maintain posture, balance, and equilibrium. New studies are exploring the cerebellum's roles in thought, emotion, and social behavior, as well as its possible involvement in addiction, autism. Your cerebellum is part of your brain that helps coordinate and regulate a wide range of functions and processes in both your brain and body. While it's very small compared to your brain overall, it holds more than half of the neurons, cells that make up your nervous system in your whole body.